Hello friends, good morning. Today I am going to explain to you question number 1 of financial statement with adjustment. The following are the balances extracted from the books of Raghunath Ji as on 31st March 2012. From these balances, prepare his trading and profit and loss account and the balance sheet as on that date. Trading and profit and loss account. It is your trading account, it is your profit and loss account. It is known as balance sheet. एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन एडजस्टमेंट्स हमने क्या कहा था मीनिंग ऑफ एडजस्टमेंट एनी इंफॉर्मेशन गिवन आउटसाइड द ट्रायल बैलेंस आर नोन एज एडजस्टमेंट सच एडजस्टमेंट आर रिकॉर्डेड एटलीस्ट 2 टाइम क्या हमारे पास है तो फर्स्ट हमारे पास ट्रायल बैलेंस में दिया हुआ है ओपनिंग स्टॉक ऑफ रुपीज 12,000 ओपनिंग स्टॉक 12,000 opening stock rupees 12,000. Next item to purchase amount 40,000 and purchase return नीचे फाइल में दिया हुआ हमारे पास 4,000 लेस purchase return rupees 4,000 36,000 credit first item of credit side sales as per your trial balance sales rupees 86,000 and sales return as per your trial balance less sales return rupees 6,000 and closing stock outside the trial balance rupees 16,000 by closing stock rupees 16,000 by क्लोजिंग स्टॉक बैलेंस शीट में टू और बाई यूज नहीं किया जाता क्लोजिंग स्टॉक रुपीज 16,000 पिछले वीडियो में ही मैंने बता दिया एनी इंफॉर्मेशन गिवन आउटसाइड द ट्रायल बैलेंस आर नोन एज एडजस्टमेंट सच एडजस्टमेंट आर रिकॉर्डेड एट लीस्ट 2 टाइम्स तो मैंने यहाँ लिखा क्रेडिटेड इन ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट and also presented in the asset side of balance sheet. Purchase, sales, discount, credit. ट्रायल बैलेंस में डिस्काउंट क्रेडिट दिया हुआ है इसका मतलब ये हमारा इनकम है. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है बिल्डिंग रुपीज 50,000 बिल्डिंग 50,000 एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन आप लोग देखेंगे एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन में लिखा हुआ है डेप्रिसिएशन चार्ज ऑन बिल्डिंग एट द रेट ऑफ 5% पर एनम therefore 5% of 50,000 are equal to 2,500 are also debited in profit and loss account depreciation on building rupees 2,500 next debtor amount rupees 16,000 next item salaries 2,500 first item of profit and loss account rupees 2,400 additional information salary are still outstanding rupees 1,200 3,600 outstanding salary are also presented in the liability side of balance sheet next item office expense rupees 1,200 to office expense 1,200 next wages rupees 10,000 debited in trading account wages additional information आप लोग देखेंगे एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन में दिया हुआ है वेजेस स्टिल आउटस्टैंडिंग रुपीज 12,000 आउटस्टैंडिंग वेजेस also presented in the liability side of balance sheet आउटस्टैंडिंग का मैंने आपको बता दिया था expenses due but not yet paid next interest credit by इंटरेस्ट डेबिट होता ट्रायल में तो मैं डेबिट करता यहाँ क्रेडिट दिया हुआ रुपीज 8,000 नेक्स्ट आइटम ट्रैवलिंग एक्सपेंस रुपीज 400 टू traveling expense rupees 800, sorry, traveling expense rupees 400, fire insurance premium, fire insurance rupees 800, additional information less prepaid insurance, prepaid rupees 200, prepaid means paid in advance, prepaid insurance also presented in the asset side of balance sheet, machinery rupees 20,000, डेप्रीसिएशन एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन आप लोग देखेंगे, डेप्रीसिएशन चार्ज एट द रेट ऑफ 10% on 70,000 equal to 2,000, depreciation also debited in profit and loss account to depreciation on machinery rupees 2,000. Next item, carriage on purchase rupees 700, carriage on purchase rupees 700, commission to commission 400. Next, cash in hand, your assets presented in the asset side of balance sheet, cash in hand rupees 2,300. Next item, rates and rent and taxes to rent and taxes rupees 1,800, additional information, the rent for 2 months at the rate of 500 per month is still outstanding. Outstanding expense are added with relevant expense either in debit side of profit and loss account or trading account and also presented in the liability side of बैलेंस शीट। 500 रुपए के रेट से 2 महीने का रेंट बाकी है। कैपिटल 62,000 कैपिटल presented in the liability side of balance sheet, creditor also presented in the liability side of balance sheet. Next, total of credit 96,000 minus this equal to known as gross profit CD carried down to profit and loss account. Answer 35,300 transferred to profit and loss account by gross profit DD 35,300 plus 1,200 equal to 36,500 minus 3,600 2,500 1,200 minus 400 minus 600 minus 2,000 minus 400 minus 2,800 equal to 23,000. Net profit 23,000 transfer to capital add net profit 23,000 plus 62,000 equal to 85,000 plus 10,800 plus 4,200 equal to rupees 1 lakh. Thank you friends.